All right, step 1, vertically, 4, 3 over 7, 6, 1 over 5. I'm going to multiply and get 35. That is the common denominator. 7 times 5 is 35. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 7 is 35. 1 times 7 is 7. Now I can add my fractions. 15 plus 7 is 22. Add my whole numbers. 4 plus 6 is 10. And that's my final answer. So this was an easy one. 10 and 22 over 35. Remember, you're going to type 10 space 22/35 for your exit ticket. Number 6, vertically. 1, 4 over 6, 9, 3 over 8. If I multiply, that's 48. That's kind of big. So I'm going to count by 8s. 8, 16, yes, 24. Okay? I don't need to multiply this one. That would be too big. Set up my multiplication problem. My new denominator is 24. 6 times 4 is 24. 4 times 4 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 3 times 3 is 9. 16 plus 9 is, 25. 25 over 24. So this is a hard one. I'm going to add my whole numbers. So I have 10 and 25 over 24. So now I have to turn this into the mixed number. I know 24 goes into 25 once, and I will have 1 left over. I did that math in my head. So now it is 10, oh no, 8th graders are here, plus 1 and 1 over 24 for a final answer of 11 and 1 over 24. 2 more practice problems.